Have you watched Kota Factory on Netflix? Have you noticed something very interesting about it? It is shot in black and white. Today is day 14 and I am going to be talking about an extremely important aspect of storytelling. Visual storytelling. Kota Factory was shot entirely in color, but in the post-production, they changed it to black and white. Have you wondered why are 3 seasons in black and white? The reason is because it shows the dark and depressing lives of students in Kota. These students are so devoid of happiness, they are so stressed out that they wanted to show that, which is why the story has been made black and white. In season 2, there was a few minutes where they made it colored. The reason was that when the protagonist believed that he has succeeded in step 1, which is reaching his next destination where he believed he could crack into IIT, at that point of time, he was happy, he was excited, he was hopeful about his future. But when that lecture was given by the professor, the students realized that their lives are still going to be the same, irrespective of wherever they study. It's still going to be really dark. And that is why the color changed back to black and white. So you see the power of visual storytelling. They were able to convey this without writing it anywhere, without the students telling it out loud. So they followed the philosophy of show, don't tell.